time is 5 a.m. Excuse the bedhead, but I filmed this video anyway. Just woke up, made some coffee, sipping on that right now. I'm gonna head over to the gym in a little bit. Earlier this week, sorry, I just paused right there because I didn't know what I was gonna say, but now I do. Earlier this week, I was supposed to do an interval run, so it was 3-mile repeats, so 3 1-mile repeats, excuse me, and there was supposed to be a 3-minute rest in between each mile, so it's like sprint a mile, rest 3 minutes, sprint a mile, rest 3 minutes. My body was just really worn out. I was gassing out after a quarter mile. I think partly that has to do with, not giving my body enough time to recover, because I am working a pretty labor-intensive job on top of working out, on top of trying to run, doing all this volume of work. So I did a third of that workout. Today I'm going to try to finish it. I'm also following a vegan keto diet, so it's pretty restrictive diet. I'll show you what I eat before I head to the gym. I don't usually like to eat too much before I head to the gym. Okay, so I'm gonna eat one of these little energy bars. They're vegan friendly. They have some omega-3s. They do have 17 grams of carbs per serving, so I'm only going to have half. Okay, just finished that first mile. I think I got it around 6:10, something like that, so not bad. It's really nice out, actually. See that sunrise? Woo! Anyways, 6:10. Feeling pretty good. Rest 3 minutes and do it one more time. Okay, just finished the second mile. A lot slower than the first. Probably 30 seconds slower. So not great. I think I didn't pace myself right. Okay, guys, just finished up that run. Like I said, the entire gym is just for me. Isn't that great? Hopefully nobody fucking ruins it. Anyways, I'm gonna do some upper body, mostly upper body, and a little bit of legs to finish this workout off. deal with a little bit of grotesqueness, if you will, after my run. We'll leave it at that. But anyways, I wanted to weigh myself this morning. This is typically what I do. I prefer to work out in the morning. Alright guys, I'm going to step on the scale here. See what I weigh. 187.2. Okay guys, so part of my morning routine is to make, I guess, a smoothie, a vegan smoothie, part of this vegan keto dietary protocol. So, I have almond milk here. If you can see that. This isn't the one that I typically like to use. It's higher in carbs. I ran out of the 30 calorie one, but this will do. Put that in here. Some blueberries. I like to add. Strawberries. Should wash these real quick. Some pecans to add extra fat. Just throw that over top. I do about 3/4 of a scoop of this pea protein. This has about 25 grams per serving, and one serving is 2 scoops. So this is about 14 grams. Oh, I'm sorry. What is that? It's about, if I could do the math in my head, 25 divided by 2 is, what is that, 12 and a half? Yeah, 12 and a half. Took me long enough. Brain's still waking up this morning. Percent peanut butter to add some healthy fats. Alright. Perfect. This is what it's looking like. Strawberries, blueberries, pea protein, almond milk, peanut butter, pecans. Put the cap over top, and we're going to blend it.